Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making spiced cantaloupe bread. Now this recipe stems from actually my dad, who used to own several delis in New York, and he was quite the chef. Since he'd cook at the deli, he'd make 2 loaves at a time. This recipe is for the 2 loaves. I'm unsure if having the recipe would yield the same results, but we are going to use 2 maxi pans, one with a liner and one with a non-stick pan. We'll see where it lands. The recipe and the products you see me using here will be in the description below. If you don't already know, we have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, ding. My cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. If you love the content and love all the recipes that we bring you, smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Now I am super ready to make the spiced cantaloupe bread. Happy Father's Day to all you wonderful dads. Let's make my dad's recipe, spiced cantaloupe bread.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face,
So this recipe is good for 2 regular size Omnia ovens. We started off with 2 maxis and then we realized that there wasn't going to be enough for a maxi, so we switched to a regular, and we're keeping one in a maxi pan to see how it turns out. So 1 maxi, 1 regular. Remember, this recipe is for 2 regular size Omnias. time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today.
is a good